Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be installing my J's Racing Diffuser. I noticed there wasn't a video out there that kind of explained us step by step, and that could be kind of annoying when you're just trying to quickly look up a video on YouTube on how to do something. So I figured I'm just going to get right to the point, not make it like a vlog style, try to just make it as simple as I can and just show step by step how to get the diffuser on. It's pretty simple, but for some people it could be a little confusing as it was my first time. So hopefully this video helps someone that's just looking it up to see how to install the diffuser. Okay, so you're gonna want to get the car into the air, get the rear wheels off, and then these are the brackets you're gonna have. There's actually 3 different types of brackets. These are the medium ones, and then there are some really short ones and then the longer ones. So the other 2 style brackets are still on the car. You can see one right there. I didn't want to take them off for no reason, but these I actually had to take off if I was driving without the diffuser. So the short one goes right here on the edge of your bumper. Got one on each side. You could put these in first. So the L-shaped bracket kind of hangs right here next to your exhaust, and then it mounts up there to that little bracket. So these are I think the hardest brackets to put in because there's like very minimal space up there. So that's why I left them on, but you want to put those on next. And then once you have those 2 on, you can move on to the medium bracket. And these medium brackets, they go right there. So there's that bolt, I think it's holding your subframe. So you take that one out, it's kind of right next to the exhaust hanger. Take that bolt out, it's really long, and then you just put the bracket in there and feed the bolt through it, and that's the 3rd bracket. Okay, so got all the brackets on, got those 2 medium ones on, got the short ones on the ends of the bumper, and then the 2 L brackets on the side, and then the L brackets, so if you could see, so the L bracket at the top is mounted right there, and you could adjust it depending on how the diffuser lines up, how the holes line up with the brackets, so you're gonna have to play around with that and move all the brackets around to have the holes on the diffuser line up. So after you got the brackets on, that's pretty much it. Now you just grab the diffuser and start trying to fit it and lining everything up. So getting the diffuser on would be a lot easier if you had someone to help you kind of hold it up, but it is possible doing it on your own. It's not too bad. I'll just start with the medium brackets just to get it up into the air, kind of how I did on the other side. I did the first bracket there, and from there on out I'm switching over to this one and then getting to the rest. Okay, so got both brackets down. I got that medium bracket, and a little tip is I wouldn't have the bracket on the frame tight all the way. I'd loosen it a little bit so that the bracket's free when you're tightening that bottom one. Gives you some room to play with, and then once you're done you could tighten that top bolt. So the last bracket is that little one that's on the edge of the bumper, and it's a little hard to get to, but you pretty much have to just feed your arm in through here, hold the nut on the top, and then tighten the bolt through the bottom. So once that's on, you just do some final adjustments, get it to line up as best as you could. It's not going to be perfect, but yeah, do your best, and that's pretty much it. And the L brackets, they actually have like the little slot, so you can adjust that, and it kind of raises and lowers the diffuser and gives you some room to make some adjustments, and it has the same thing at the top over here where the bracket's mounted. So you could adjust that up and down depending on how high you need the diffuser to go. And that's pretty much it. The diffuser's on.